The Kurjenrahka Karpalopolku trail is classified as a demanding accessible trail. Due to a few climbs, an assistant is recommended for wheelchair users. The trail starts from the parking area with 2 marked accessible parking spaces. At the beginning of the trail, there is a relief map of the trail. With the QR code, you can listen to a brief description of the trail in Finnish. The trail is coated with crushed stone fines or wide duckboards. Wheelchair progress is facilitated by large off-road front wheels or a single front wheel. The rotation direction is clockwise. The trail is marked with large yellow squares. The trail width is at least 1.1 meters. There are several different rest sites along the trail. The contrast between the trail and its surroundings is clear. The first and most demanding climb of the trail is 500 meters away. The uphill part is about 30 meters long with a slope of 10.5%. The landing towards the mire is divided into several short parts. The mire sections are crossed on wide duckboards. On the wide walking bridge, there is a room to rest and familiarize yourself with the information boards. There are a few signs for persons with visual impairments. Once you reach the forest island, there is a climb to the observation platform. There, you can rest, enjoy your packed lunch, and even listen to a description of the mire landscape.
Keskiosan vanha kuusivoittoinen sekametsä vaihtuu harvaan nuoreen männikköön. Tuuheat sammalet ja jäkälät peittävät kalliota kuin matto.
The narrowest point of the trail is on the 30 meters long walking bridge. The Kuuno boundary mark is a famous site in the Kurjenrahka National Park. It has been the boundary mark of municipalities for at least 600 years. Along the trail there are 2 iron-forged models, Sundew and the crane. You can familiarize yourself with the year of the animal the Kurjenrahka National Park is named after, the crane, with a sound recording. The trail returns to the parking lot. There is a distance of 100 meters from the parking area to the main information point. Visitors to the Nature Information Hut can learn about the cycle of the year on the mire, the emblem of the park, the crane, as well as information about the national park. The relief map can be used to perceive different parts of the yard. The accessible cooking shelter can be used to light a fire even when forest and grass fire warnings are in effect. The accessible observation platform provides a view of Lake Savonjärvi. There are 2 accessible dry toilets. They are mirror images of each other. Access the pier at the shore of the lake along the accessible bridge.